Sa showbiz saksi, mainit na sinalubong ang half Pinay na si Jessica Sanchez at iba pang finalist ng American Idol Season 11 sa kanilang pagdating sa Pilipinas. Nasa bansa sila para sa Manila leg ng kanilang Idol Concert Tour at saksi si Nelson Canlas.
Sa airport pa lang hindi na magkamayaw ang fans na nag-abang sa American Idol Season 11 Top 10. Kabilang ang may dugong Pinoy na runner-up na si Jessica Sanchez at ang Idol winner na si Philip Phillips. Pinagkaguluhan sila hanggang sa Manila Hotel, kung saan dumating din ang lolo ni Jessica na si Eduardo Bugay, gayon din ang ilang kaanak at kababayan ng kanyang ina sa Samal, Bataan.
There's been some fans that have snuck in and actually got to give me stuff personally without security, getting to them or pushing them. So I mean, that felt good to me because they were like, I'm a Blue Jay, and I'm like, oh, nice to meet you, and it was just amazing.
120 fans ang swerteng nabigyan ng pagkakataong makahalubilo ng malapitan ng mga finalist.
Sobrang excited na.
Gusto niyo makita ngayon?
Si Philip and Colton.
Bakit?
Ayun, I watched them since the audition, yung first day ng audition ng AI, and sila talaga yung nakakuha ng attention ko.
Nagkaroon din ako syempre ng pagkakataong makausap ang mga idol. This is your first time.
It is, yeah. I mean, I've only been here for a couple hours, and I've been there's been cameras everywhere and stuff, so I haven't really been able to get out and explore yet. But what I've seen so far and the people that I've met have been so respectful, and it's just amazing so far what I've seen.
You actually met some of your Filipino fans. How does that feel?
It's really it's really awesome. It's exciting to be here because I've read on Twitter so much, all the support and everything. So I'm excited, like I said, to play a show for them, and hopefully they have the time of their life.
Huli at nag-iisang overseas stop ng American Idol Tour ang concert nila sa Pilipinas ngayong Biyernes. Pero may mga salita at pagkaing Pilipino na raw silang alam.
I learned mabuhay.
Oh, come on, tell me the nasty.
Chos.
Chos?
That's all I learned.
You know Chos?
That's not nasty?
Yes, correct.
Okay, well, I learned mahaku kayo lahat.
I've been loving the food. I tasted something that Jessica's grandmother made, and it was really good. So I know that you guys only have good food.
At syempre hindi rin maiwasang mapag-usapan ang pagiging sweet ni Jessica sa kanyang boyfriend at co-finalist na si DeAndre Brackensick.
Really? What do they say?
You're so sweet together.
Oh, that means a lot. I don't know. I mean, we're like that all the time. We're just always holding hands and stuff. So I mean, it doesn't really feel like...
Bukas ay mapapanood ang mga idol sa unang hirit habang si Jessica ay live na makakapanayam sa 24 oras. May live show din sila bukas bago ang concert sa Smart Araneta Coliseum sa Biyernes.
Mahal ko, Kaya Kapuso.
Nelson Canlas ang inyong saksi.